ओके, ये डेंटल चेयर है, ये फुली इलेक्ट्रिक मॉडल है। इसमें अप डाउन फॉरवर्ड रिवर्स टच पे है। जैसे टच किया, इसमें मतलब प्रेस भी नहीं करना, और जस्ट आप टच करोगे और ये मूवमेंट कर देगा। दिस चेयर इज फुली इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डेंटल चेयर in which up, down, forward, reverse, zero program is there. There program 1, program 2, program 3. There is a syncope position. There is a gargle position. There is a on-off switch by the light. This light can be. This is also touch screen, and now this LED. As you can see, this LED is functional. It also has sensor, and it also has a touch button. Then there is a X-ray viewer. There is automatic water filler, automatic spittoon cleaner, and as well as there is this light function. As well as we can set all this also. Also we have micromotor functions on this dental chair. We have a scaler function. This is a scaler, which is scaler handpiece has to be put over here, and scaler will work. This is ear rotor handpiece. This is another ear rotor handpiece. This is three-way swing. This is the speed which we can see what air speed is coming inside the dental chair. Then there is this is the right arm has lateral movement. This right arm of the dental chair has lateral movement, and then there is foot control. All the functions can be controlled with the foot control. Then there is a suction, air rotor suction trolley. This is the suction trolley. There is a slow suction, high suction, up, down, forward, reverse can be done from here also. As well as the water spittoon cleaner, these functions can also be operated from here. As well as this is the zero position. This zero position can be controlled from here as well as from that way also. Then there this spittoon can be put in front of the patient, as if for the pedo patient or old age patient, and it can be done over other side also. Also this chair comes with this. I will show you the headrest. Headrest have a multiple movement. You can do this movement. You can take it out, increase the height, and you can lock it anywhere. Thank you very much.